The page may freeze, reload, or redirect endlessly. Step-by-step fix guide. 1. Clear browser cookies and cache. Corrupted cache or outdated cookies can cause login issues. Chrome, Control-Shift-L, clear cookies, cached images and files. Safari preferences privacy, manage website data, remove all. Then try logging in again. Step 2. Try incognito private mode. This disables extensions, saved sessions, and cached cookies. Chrome, Control-Shift-N. Command-Shift-N. 3. Check Shopify server status. Visit www.shopifystatus.com. If Shopify's login or admin services are experiencing issues, you'll need to wait. 4. Use a different browser or device. Try logging in on Firefox, Safari, Edge, or mobile browser. This rules out browser-specific issues. Disable extensions, ad blockers, VPNs. Some extensions interfere with login processes. Temporarily disable ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy tools. Retry logging in. 6. Check login URL. Use the correct login portal. Merchant login, /shopify.com/storegin to accounts.shopify.com/store-login. Avoid old or broken links from bookmarks or emails. 7. Flush DNS optional. If nothing else works, flush DNS. Windows, open ipconfig flush DNS. Mac OS, open terminal. Sudo kill-all-hup mdns responder. 8. Contact Shopify support. If login still fails, go to tps/help.shopify.com, choose live chat or email support.